Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see one of the most interesting chemical reaction that saves us. Here we are going to see most important reaction for polystyrene recycling. Here we are reacting expanded polystyrene, that is styrofoam or thermocol, which we are familiar with some chemical solutions. So let's see. All we need to require is expanded polystyrene piece, which we can get from scraps or packages, and acetone solutions and one bowl or a beaker. Watch this video till end to know facts why this reaction happens and which solutions are required to dissolve this polystyrene foam. Firstly, take acetone solution bottle and open it and put some solution in bowl or beaker. Then take expanded polystyrene piece and just put it in acetone solutions. Polystyrene is basically made up of only carbon and hydrogen, so it is non-polar compound, and acetone is also polar compound or solvent. As we know, like dissolve in like so, similarly non-polar compound dissolve in non-polar solvents, like acetone it will not dissolve in polar water. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting facts.